Good evening. Today, we will be covering the post-market update dated the 5th of July, 2024. Indian benchmark indices ended flat in the volatile session on July 5. At close, the Sensex was down 53.07 points or 0.07% at 79,996.60, and the Nifty was up 21.60 points or 0.09% at 24,323.80. ONGC, Reliance Industries, State Bank of India, HUL, Britannia Industries are among the top gainers on the Nifty, while losers are HDFC Bank, Titan Company, Tata Steel, M&M and LTI Mindtree. Talking about the corporate segment, we have shares of THERMAX Limited surged 5% after THERMAX Group announced that its subsidiary secured an order worth 513 rupees crore to set up a 600 megawatts greenfield energy project in Botswana, Southern Africa. The Pune-headquartered group's wholly owned unit THERMAX Babcock and Wilcox Energy Solutions Limited will supply two 550 TPH CFBC, circulating fluidized bed combustion, boilers over a period of 23 months, the firm said in an exchange filing on July 5. This contract will provide support to the development of the first phase, i.e. the 300 megawatts power station being established by the undisclosed customer, the firm said. TWS will undertake the designing, engineering, manufacturing, testing, supply, supervision of erection and commissioning, and performance testing for the project, the filing said. The power generated is intended for sale to the National Utility Power Company for sustaining the growing power requirement of the country, according to the stock filing. We are delighted to win the order to support and accelerate power generation efforts in the region of Botswana. Our expertise in design, engineering and manufacturing boilers focused on lower emissions, reduced operating costs and higher reliability for the power sector through TBWES has led to this win, said Ashish Bundori, MD and CEO, THERMAX. Shares of Raymond skyrocketed 18.5% to hit a record high on July 5 after the board approved demerger of its real estate business, Raymond Realty. The demerger plan aims to consolidate the conglomerate's entire real estate business into a single entity to leverage growth opportunities and attract new investors and strategic partners, Raymond said. Under the demerger plan, Raymond will issue 6.65 crore shares of Raymond Realty with a face value of 10 rupees per share. Shareholders of Raymond will receive one share of Raymond Realty for each share held with no cash or alternative considerations involved. After completion, Raymond Realty will be listed on both the National Stock Exchange and BSE as a separate entity. This strategic move comes as Raymond's real estate business has achieved scale, reporting revenue of 1,593 rupees crore, 43% on-year growth, and EBITDA of 370 rupees crore in FY24, positioning it well to chart its own growth path as a separate entity, the company stated in an exchange filing. Raymond Realty has 100 acres of land in Thane with 11.4 million square foot RERA approved carpet area, of which about 40 acres is currently under development. There are 5 ongoing projects worth 9,000 rupees crore on its Thane land, with an additional potential to generate more than 16,000 rupees crore, making a total potential revenue of over 25,000 rupees crore from this land bank, it added. Shares of AHLUWALIA Contracts, India, have gained 10% to test the 52-week high of 1,445 rupees in the early trade on July 5, after the company secured an order from Airports Authority of India. The company received a contract for construction of new terminal building, allied structure and external development works on engineering, procurement and construction model. The contract is worth of 572 rupees crore and to be executed over 24 months. On June 10, the company had bagged an order worth 383.98 rupees crore from Birla Anar LLP, which is to be executed in 2 phases, and also received contract from Indian Financial Technology and Allied Services worth 98.80 rupees crore. On June 1, the company bagged a contract worth 2,157 rupees crore from India Jewellery Park, Mumbai, and Daffodil Hotel awarded a contract worth 88.15 rupees crore. Shares of HDFC Bank, which were on a winning path in recent weeks on the probable increase in MSCI weightage, on Friday tumbled over 4% today's low at 1,653.70 rupees on BSE after reporting a sharp CASA ratio decline in its June quarter business update. In quarter one, HDFC Bank's deposit growth was soft during the quarter, growing at 15.3% year-on-year on a pro forma basis, and flat sequentially. CASA declined 5% quarter-on-quarter, and as a result, the CASA ratio was down about 190 bps quarter-on-quarter to 36%. The bank has disclosed that its loan book and deposits grew 14.9% year-on-year and 16.5% year-on-year, after excluding the merger impact. Both loan and deposit growth are generally seasonally soft in quarter one for HDFC Bank, 1 to 3% quarter-on-quarter growth seen in loans and deposits in the last 3 years in quarter one, but the reported numbers are a tad lower than usual, in our view, Nomura said. While Bernstein, which has an overweight call on the private sector lender with a target price of 2,100 rupees, noted that a lower CASA might offset gains from a better loan mix, Macquarie expects NIMs to remain broadly unaffected. For the first time, the bank in the pre-quarter one update has disclosed growth in average balances for deposits as well as AUM. Landmark Property Development Company Limited in daily time frame is trading around 13.86 points with a change of 20% and is trading with a net volume of around 2.877 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 10.85, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 80.42. Dynamic Products Limited in daily time frame is trading around 368.50 points with a change of 19.99% and is trading with a net volume of around 530.503 thousand shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 309.09, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 79.44. JFL Life Sciences Limited in daily time frame is trading around 58.55 points with a change of 19.98% and is trading with a net volume of around 398,000 shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 45.97, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 80.70. For the stock recommendation we have, GIC Housing Finance Limited looks good and can be bought at 263 rupees, keeping a stop loss of 254 rupees and a target of 273 rupees.
You can reach us via phone, WhatsApp, or email using the information listed on the screen. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial insights. And, as always, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, leave them in the comments section below. Until next time, happy investing.